Today I'm using the DupliColor Trim and Bumper paint in black, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to concentrate on these little fins right here, and then I'm not going to worry about that later on. So there's the first coat, very light first coat, no runs, and took me literally 2 minutes. Here's a close-up of the finished product. It's had 4 coats. No streaking, no zebra lines. Everything nice and even. Here is the final result of the cowling back in place. All nicely painted, nicely shiny, along with the windshield wipers that were also removed and resprayed. Like and subscribe. Do me a favor.